Hi, everybody. It's Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with an ATC trade and a prize from a giveaway during Miss Kat's crafting game night she had. And of course, we do our monthly ATC swap. So this is the ATC. I love it. Look at that little squirrel. It says these days. And this is July's. So I put that right there. And we got this little, I think they're tigers. Or are they? Yeah. They look like some sort of tiger. This ripped, but I'm still going to use it because I can glue it down. So we got that. And then we got these little pieces of paper. Ooh, this one's felt. Ooh, look at that. Doily, little pieces of labels, I call them. A rose, a little coin, newspaper, cameo, some of that felt again, some red, some white, some green. I like this size paper. It's got the sheer to it. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty cool. And leaves. White card bases, awesome. That's one thing I'm gonna start doing is making some cards because I don't buy cards, and guess what? I ended up buying 3 cards this year. Some blue. And I asked Kathy what was in. This is my prize. So she sent me some double-sided tape, and then this Lavender Farm paper pads. So let's check it out. So that's the swap, and this is the prize. So we're gonna put that over there. I will work on that in a second. But look at this. Oh, the ephemera. Oh, this is so pretty. I love the color. Ooh. Oh, I love the window. Oh, the doors. Oh, I love this. I love the wood grain look, no matter what color. And it just repeats itself. Oh, I could be wrong. Oh, I might be right. Yeah, I think it just starts repeating. Let's see. Yep, 6x6 scrapbook and paid. There are 25 or 24 double-sided printed sheets. Acid-free, of course. And the bonus back covers. I like when paper pads do that. So let's design something. So, look how chunky my book's getting. Open. So I left off. Right there. So I'm going to rescue this. I'm just going to trim it. I don't know if I did that or packaging did it, but what I'm going to do all that for me to do this instead. Here. Excuse me. It is so humid out. I was outside and I had to come in because I started having an asthma attack. So I had to take, and then use my inhaler the first time in a long time. Plus that pollen or whatever, that white stuff that comes off our trees here in Wisconsin. Yeah. The rain is finally, I'm going to knock on wood, because it's been raining steady, I swear, for weeks. And I kind of had a good week where it didn't rain. So, like every night. Knock on wood. Tonight, the grandkids are coming into town. The Clydesdales are just down the road from us. We're going to take the kids and go see the Clydesdale horses. At the Rec Center and Lambeau Field and all that stuff. They'll be over in that area today. There we go. So, what's everybody's weekend plans? Scott works this weekend, so we won't be doing too much. Damn mosquito! Oh, they're terrible this year. Kind of sitting on my swing in my backyard besides getting ate up. I got the bug zapper up and it ain't even helping, so he's gonna buy me some stuff I can spray the yard with. So I'm just gonna do a collage and all little pieces of fussy cutting. Let's see. I like this. I want to use this too. Okay, let's see what I can come up with. I do want this. Okay, where's that? Okay. I love this, so I'm going to add that. Because I think it's cool. I don't know where Kathy gets some of these images, but they're cool. Forgot what I was doing there for a second. It's known to happen here and there once in a while, guys. Just saying. Okay. Alright. Now. Oop. Well, that is my daughter calling, and I will call her back once I'm done with the video. Sometimes it's just easier to just do it right on the paper and then let it just dry. Come to realize that. It's a little collage. I didn't end up using these pieces. That's alright because I've got them in my pile. But that is from Miss Kat's Crafting for July swap and my wonderful prize from playing her game night. So that's that. And then here's her ATC. Ain't that cute? So I will talk to y'all later. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. And I'll put Miss Kat's name on here once it dries because there's a lot like that. You know, I went over, you saw how I did it. So I'll come back and add her name and what month. So thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.